Hi everybody, it's Dan and Barbara from Scratching Florida Lotto for Pet Rescues.
Hey everybody.
This is video number 6 in our Scratcher Challenge that we're doing with each other. So once again, if I win, Barbara pays for me to go shooting. If Barbara wins, I have to take her to the thrift stores and pay for up to $20 worth of crap. Okay, so like I said, this is video number 6. The first 5 videos, the first one I won, Barbara lost. The second one we both lost. Third one Barbara won, I lost. Fourth and fifth one were both losers. Okay, so we're going to be going into video number 6, and I'll go ahead and write number 6 down here so that we can keep score. So today we've got a couple more of the lotterias. We have number 23 and number 22. So I'm going to take 22. Why? I don't know. Let me situate that in the screen there for you.
And for you new people, before you scratching Florida Lotto for Pet Rescues, there's hair here. What we do is we scratch off lottery tickets, and whatever we win, we get half to a pet rescue. So just letting you guys know that for you new people.
All right, so without further ado, here we go. I have a flower pot and the pitcher. So here's the flower pot. And here's the pitcher.
Did you even tell them how that play? We have new people that don't live here.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. You reveal the symbol down here in this area, find the matching symbol, and scratch it. You get anything across, down, or diagonally, you win the corresponding prize.
And there's no special, they call symbols.
Yeah, there's no symbols in this, just the ones that we're revealing here. So now we have the world and the sun.
But Dale forgets that everybody lives in Florida.
And we have no world, no sun. Now we have the mermaid and the rooster. Here's the rooster. And the mermaid right below the rooster. Okay. Now we have the cactus and the tree. Here's the tree.
And I see the cactus.
And the cactus. Alright, next is the cello and the rose. Alright, here's the rose up here. And here's the cello.
Wow, you need a drum.
I need a drum for $5. I need a barrel for $10.
Wow. And we've gotten both before. Star.
So now we have the star and the hand. So here's the hand. Now I need an umbrella for $40. Okay, there is no star. Come on, umbrella. So we have the frog.
That's a new one. I don't remember that.
That's not new.
I remember the frog.
Frog and the pear. Here's the pear. And like I said, there is no frog, so this one is not a winner. So now it's Barbara's turn.
Yeah, set me up.
Set you up. There you go.
All right, you guys.
All right.
Let's go here. We got the hand.
The hand and the parrot.
And the hand and the parrot.
See the hand up in the corner.
That's a rooster. No parrot.
I don't see no parrot.
Nope. And we got the deer and the drum.
The deer and the drum.
Here's the deer. No drum.
No drum.
Got the sun and the bell. Here's the bell. Got the moon.
No sun.
Got the rose and the barrel. I saw the barrel. Don't remember seeing the rose.
I don't see a rose.
And we got the fish.
Ladder and fish.
Here's the ladder.
There's the fish right there.
Here's the fish. And we got
the world and the rooster.
Oh, there's a rooster. And where's that world? Right here. Okay, let's do a recap here. We need arrows for 20.
You need a pitcher for 40.
Need a pitcher for 40. And I think
and
that's about...
a frog for 10. Nope.
Nope, because I need a cello.
Yep, you need a
so
cello.
Let's see what this is. There's the moon. Wow, we need an arrow for 220. And it is the tree. Which I don't have.
Tree.
Well, that's crap.
So this is another loser. So we are still tied at 2-2.
Jamaica Queen, where are you getting your cards from?
And
I'm telling you guys, go check out Jamaica Queen.
Where did I set the pen?
And check out her channel.
Barbara stole the pen.
Because that woman is just bamming, booming
and zero.
These Florida cards.
All right.
So Jamaica Queen. All right, people. Looks like we're tied.
Still.
We're gonna figure out what to do on this tie. I was thinking about maybe scratching off. Each of us do three $1 cards. Because no one of us will get a winner out of that. And we'll figure out something.
Anyway, for those of you that want to send cards from your state for us to scratch, our address is P.O. Box 437, La Crosse, Florida, 32658.
And we will send them back.
Yep, we'll send them back, winners or losers.
We just want to do the video.
And my PayPal can be found at sacredsky@cox.net.
In case you want to support the channel.
Yep.
I mean, $2 buys a card. It doesn't matter. Or if you want us to take it to a pet rescue, let us know. We'll show the receipt on a video. So everybody, I guess that's it. Say goodbye, Dale.
Goodbye, Dale.